Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm in the kitchen again and today I'll be cooking fricassee chicken Jamaican style. So if it's your first time here, be sure to subscribe, leave a like on this video, comment and share. So without further ado, let's start this video. Okay guys, so the chicken is already cleaned with vinegar and lemon juice, and these are all the seasonings that I will be using. I have black pepper, salt, onion powder, garlic powder, chicken seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, some Italian complete seasoning, and I'm basically using 1 teaspoon of each. So guys, as you can see, I'm now massaging the seasonings into the chicken. Then I'm going to cover and let it sit and marinate for roughly 1 hour. So now I have my frying pot on high heat and I'm going in with some vegetable oil. So once the oil is really hot, then I'm going in with my chicken. So I'm gonna let this chicken fry for roughly 4 minutes on each side or until golden brown. Then I'm gonna remove them from the oil. So when I say golden brown, this is what I'm talking about, guys. So now it is okay to remove the chicken from the oil. So guys, now that the chicken is done frying, I'm going to saute these vegetables. I have some carrot, bell peppers, onion, scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, tomato and ginger, and I'm going to saute for 1 minute. So guys, once my vegetable is sauteed, I'm going in with the chicken. Once I add my chicken, guys, I'm going to add some chicken broth. Then once I add my chicken broth, I'm going to add some ketchup, which is optional, but for me personally, I love to add some ketchup to my gravy or sauce. Then I'm going to add some browning for color. Then once I add my browning, guys, I'm going to add a little bit of honey for taste. Then I'm going to cover and let it simmer for 5 minutes. So guys, as you can see, now I'm adding some more bell peppers, and as you go along you can always taste your gravy or meat to see what is needed. So that's what I did, and I realized it needs some more flavor, so I went in with some more bell peppers, which is okay. So this is it guys, my fricassee chicken is all prepared and ready to serve, but I'm gonna leave it on the heat so that the gravy can get a little more thickened. So if you enjoy this recipe guys, please leave a like, please comment, please share. And this is what I served it with: some rice and peas and corn with cucumber and tomato. So guys, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed as yet, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye.